like every Saturday, today was turning out to be a boring day. Today is the 17th of October. The time is 3:41. So we decided to head off to Ananthagiri Hills. So we have had some floods-like situation in Hyderabad. It has been raining heavily. The rain has stopped now, but the past week it has rained really hard. There was a lot of destruction and all. There was a lot of destruction and all in the city. So we're expecting Ananthagiri Hills to be green and good because of the recent rains. So for anyone who does not know, there's this town called Hyderabad, and right after Hyderabad you have the Hyderabad forest, and right after the forest there are some hills, not those high hills, but then there are some hills which is called the Ananthagiri Hills. मौसम तो अच्छा हो रहा है. I just hope it does not rain. So I'm not sure if the camera is doing justice. Lekin सामने clouds and that sun behind the clouds, beautiful. Kawasaki riders, bro. अब यहाँ से थोड़ी ग्रीनरी ज़्यादा हो जाती है. थोड़ा the countryside of Telangana begins. There's a lot of farming and all over here. So this is a good route to ride. It's just that you'll have to be a little careful because there's a lot of dogs and buffaloes and cows that cross these roads. So you'll have to be a little careful. Otherwise, I believe the road is pretty neat, and what's the time now? The time is 4:15, almost 4:15. So I'm guessing we should reach there. We should reach Ananthagiri Hills by 5:30. लेकिन अगर रुक के गए तो और लेट हो सकता. Let's see what time we reach the hills. So this is what I'm talking about. This is all the countryside of Telangana. You can see a lot of resorts and farming and all in this area. And just because we have had some really heavy rains, everything looks so beautiful. Now that I'm riding solo, I get to understand why a lot of riders prefer riding solo. There's just so much room for me to move around and get myself in a comfortable position just because there's no one sitting behind me. Now, another good thing about these kind of bikes is that I don't have to really slow down. There are these certain patches of roads that are not really that great, but I'm not really slowing down. These kind of places are just so good. So we'll take this track. Yeah, so these kind of places are just so good. If I have to compare it with a city like Hyderabad, the air around these areas is just so nice, so cleaner. take this Maruti Espresso. व्यू ख़राब हो जा रहा है इसकी वजह से. Let's do it now. That was easy. Now this board here says Hyderabad is 10 more kilometers. And there's this junction that we are reaching. This junction is called the Manneguda Junction. Now this, I believe, is the Hyderabad town. You see how green it is, how good it looks. Everything on my right looks so beautiful. Right? This is all the effects of the recent floods. So there's water on my left, there's water on my right. And this is amazing. I've been to Hyderabad so many times. I've been to the Ananthagiri Hills so many times. But then I've not seen Ananthagiri like this. I've not seen Hyderabad like this. इससे पहले. ये रेलवे ट्रैक आते, रेलवे ट्रैक क्रॉस करने के कुछ ही देर में फॉरेस्ट एरिया स्टार्ट हो जाता. So there's one road that goes straight, and then there's this road that's going from the left. So the one on the left is a little more adventurous, I feel. अभी तो it's daytime, so it's all good, it's all fine. लेकिन by the time हम यहाँ से रिटर्न होते रहेंगे पूरा अंधेरा हो जाएगा. So it becomes a little scary, not a little scary, very scary. So Hyderabad forest is known for a little of its wildlife. थोड़े deers and all है यहाँ पे, rabbits, deers. I've heard peacocks over here. But then all of a sudden अच्छा ठंडा हो गया यहाँ पे as soon as I entered this place. So I believe the forest limits यहीं कहीं से start होते और शायद start हो चुके हैं. And I believe you can already see that road go up. देखिए यहाँ पे शायद गवर्नमेंट का कुछ गेस्ट हाउस रूम्स जैसा होटल जैसा भी है. ये इसी रोड पे आगे लेफ्ट साइड पे आएगा. So if there's someone who wants to come here and stay for, let's say, a couple of days or something, यहाँ पे रुक सकते. This one, the one on the left. पता नहीं है क्यों गोल गोल घूम रही. अरे अगेन गोल चले गए. ओ वहाँ से जा रहे हैं. Yeah, there are monkeys over here. Oh, hello monkey. We've reached Ananthagiri Hills. There's this one viewpoint aage. So people come over there, click photos, take photos, spend a little time over there. That's what we're going for. And head back. This actually looks way more beautiful than what I thought it will be. So you can already see kids and all enjoying over there. कुछ तो trekking करके आ रहे हैं. Look at that. The sun is setting and that part looks just so beautiful. Oh, so this is the Moosi original trekking Ananthagiri Hills Reserve Forest. This is just so beautiful.